All, welcome. So in this video, we will be discussing more about the architecture. So in the previous video, I have explained to you just a brief introduction about DataHub, like what exactly DataHub, what is the definition, and who will be using it, and how they will be benefiting it. Like it's a kind of a data lineage tool which help the organization to track their data from source to target and make wise decision. Okay, now if we come to the architecture, if you see here, it has tiers: a client tier, app tier, and a persistence tier. The client tier is something like that which collect metadata via batch and real-time ingestion. Okay, like means we have in batch ingestion is just kind of a pull based model. Okay, we have databases available: SQL, MySQL, Snowflake, Hive, Postgre, DBT. So using the ingestion framework, and it will be able to get the metadata, and that metadata will be sending to the app tier. So in a similar way, we have a Spark and Airflow that will be used the push API, and that will be those particular events will be captured by the emitter API. Okay, I'll be for more focusing more on the emitter API in the subsequent session. Okay, so the particular Spark and Airflow, right? It will be using the emitter API like I mentioned. So and this emitter API, what it exactly it will do, it capture those events. What are the events? I'll tell you that what are the events. Suppose that you are running a Spark job and reading a file and writing into another file. Okay, so it has some three column and there just a simple read and write. So for in Spark concept, there is a listener, Spark listener. So the data hub uses those listener, and like in on application start, application end, job start, job end, or other tasks, those events it will be captured, and it using their physical plan, it gets some um, events, and those events will be sent to open lineage. From open lineage convert those events in a different format, and those events get by data hub uses and convert into MCP. MCP is nothing like that, metadata change proposal. Okay, and those MCP will be emitting to the metadata service. Okay, like here I mentioned we have emitter API, right? So there are three types of emission will happen: a file based emission, a REST API, and a Kafka based. So in file based API, the metadata service won't be involved here. When we do a REST, so in the REST API, it will go to the MCP will be getting, and it will go to the app tier. Like in the metadata service, it will go. Okay, so once you get the metadata service, so it is metadata service the core component in the uh, data hub. So it coordinate almost everything. So it has a connection with the front end, back end, everything. So once you get it, it will be ingesting into three part: a MySQL or a Postgre database that exactly have the a single source of truth. eh? So in case of the MySQL is down or it's not functioning, the entire data hub won't function. We won't be able to push any message. Okay, and it will be sent into the Elasticsearch, and it will be sending to the Kafka. In Kafka metadata change proposal, there are multiple topics available in Kafka. When we do the installation, the data hub predefinedly create some topics, and it will be sending to the Kafka. Okay, so why we need to send it to the Elasticsearch? Though Elasticsearch will be in the front end, when we do any query, it will look up, check the whether the index has been mapped there or not to the particular database, particular thing which we are querying. So a faster lookup will be getting, and faster query response will be getting. Okay, so and the front end, and we have another call as a UI client. Here UI client, what exactly do, it will be directly connected to the front end server, and whenever we do request or anything, it will come to the metadata service. Okay, The similar way, whenever we do any operation in the front end, like a clicking data or anything, all these audit will be captured in one of the Kafka topic, data data usage topic, and that we call as a metadata audit event that will be also persisting into the Kafka. That will be used for the analytics. There are multiple dashboard the DataHub provides. Okay, in the UI, those events will be used for the this particular thing. Okay, this is a overall uh, data hub architecture. Yeah, client tier, app tier, and a persistence tier. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. Next video will be doing the installation. Okay, thank you.